Hi guys, we got a dumpling.
So let's open it with us. You can tear it off. Okay. Close your eyes. Wait, is there tape over? No. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's the glitter.
Oh my gosh, I need to want another one of those.
Yeah.
I like those.